The first European airline to start operating the Airbus A380, Air France offers its customers unrivaled comfort on board its Super Jumbo. Its size matches the power of the Paris Charles de Gaulle hub, which offers over 20,000 connecting opportunities every week. This type of hub organisation is suited to the handling of this Super Jumbo. The Air France Airbus A380 can carry 516 passengers over 13,000 kilometres. It is the biggest ever civil aircraft. Its main deck is the same size as a Boeing 777-200, and the upper deck that of an Airbus A340-300. On its most popular routes, Air France can now reduce frequencies by replacing 2 flights with just 1 flight, at convenient times for the customer, whilst offering the same number of seats. Its 4 latest generation Engine Alliance GP 7200 engines, its aerodynamics and its fuselage, which integrates the latest in modern technology, make it the most environmentally friendly aircraft in its category. Its aerodynamic shape and engine performance also make it extremely quiet. Passengers on board Air France's A380 enjoy additional space and comfort, whichever cabin they are travelling in. La Première, Business, Premium Economy, or Economy. Air France has done all it can to ensure that passengers travelling on this Super Jumbo enjoy a relaxing, quiet, and memorable flight.